my real hair would never.
It's giving we're going to the Nigerian Oscars.
I look good. So I'm about to go to the nail salon right now, and I know this wig of mine is looking real tired. So basically I'm just about to wear this hat because it's really not giving right now. I will be getting my hair done soon. So I don't know who told me to decide to get my nails done today, but it is freezing. I thought it was, well, it's not that cold, but it's raining like crazy. Finally done with my nails, and one thing about me is that I don't lock my car. Like, that is a really, really bad habit. I don't leave anything in my car anyway, so, but crazy part, oh shit. My car was parked on my block one time. Somebody actually came in my car and went through all of my stuff, and luckily I don't keep anything valuable, anything important in my car. And it's so sad that I didn't learn my lesson yet, but let me go because somebody's trying to take my parking spot. So I just got some packages in the mail. I ordered some stuff from Black Friday, so let's see what it is, y'all. So I ordered like 8 pair of shoes, and this is the last box that came in. I ordered these by accident, but I have them in the 8.5, and they're so cute. So this is the other pair that I ordered. Okay, so these shoes are the Rena by 9 West, and these are more like a Tom Ford dupe. And they're so cute and so comfortable. Ooh, I got a box of goodies. This box is actually from Macy's. Then we have this Prada. Then this Miss Dior. This is my fave. This is actually my 3rd time purchasing it. This one's about to be done, so I got another one. What is this? This might be a little gift set. Oh, this came with a little bag. This is very cute. I like this. Okay. What came next? This might be for my... Oh, this is some gifts from Dior. With my Miss Dior. Came with this cute little dust bag. So Dior literally has the best dust bags, and it has a bunch of samples on the inside. This is cute. Hey guys, good morning. So I have a lot of stuff on my schedule today. I am traveling tomorrow, and I still haven't packed my stuff yet. So you know what's crazy, because I literally get anxiety. I travel so much that I get anxiety from traveling. So like when it comes to packing, I have to pack very, very close to my trip. So since I'm only traveling for like 24 hours, I don't have much stuff to pack. I'm just going for literally 1.5 events. So yeah. So I'm about to go hop in the shower, brush this teeth of mine, and then we gonna pack and start my day. I'm currently in the process of packing, and I'm just trying to figure everything out. I'm laying everything on my bed that I kind of need so far. So far I have the dress I'm wearing for the main event, got my makeup there, some outfits, camera equipment, you know, a little bit of stuff like that. Since I'm able to bring a big suitcase, I don't really have to size down on anything. Look at this. Look at my travel bag. In this bag, I have from makeup wipes, different bottles. I have, literally, if I'm traveling and I'm like in a rush, if somebody told me to get ready to travel in like 5 minutes, not 5 minutes, probably like an hour, I literally would just grab this bag and like 2 outfits and I'm out. Okay, so I also have a travel blanket. Yup. I actually stole this from Emirates. Yeah, so, and the shoes I'm gonna wear this weekend, you guys know about my 9 West shoes. I bought them in every single color. I'm gonna wear the black ones. I'm gonna get rid of these boxes too, because what I need a 9 West box for? 9 West is popping, but I don't need no more boxes. So everything is packed. I'm just gonna leave everything on my bed. I'm about to get my hair done, and I feel like I can't really get a good picture of my outfit unless my hair is done. So that's what I'm gonna do. This is how my hair looks with the curls. I look cute. I'm really feeling it. At first I was a little skeptical. You guys, I'm making a video, okay? At first I was a little skeptical about the hair, but it's giving like rich auntie, cute or whatever. So now we're about to get ready to go to dinner for my sister's birthday, and I gotta do my makeup, but I'm feeling this hair. It's giving wash and set. My real hair would never, but I love it. Okay guys, this is my makeup. It's very simple for tonight, nothing crazy, and I just have to find an outfit and then I'm ready to go. Oh Jesus. So I'm thinking jeans because it's really cold, but who knows. These jeans that I bought from Pretty Little Thing have me on a chokehold, and I probably wore them every single time I went out for the past few times, and I'm not doing it. I'm getting bigger. The last time I tried on one of these jeans, I had gotten taken in. Girl, the zip ripped for sure. I might do these jeans. Hopefully they're not too tight. I'm gonna let y'all know this right now. My ass is getting big. All of my clothes, I'm bursting out of it. I never had this issue before. Oh God. Oh shit. This is what Thanksgiving to do to you. Oh my God. No, I need to really hit the gym because I want to be this size until I have kids. How I'm gonna eat tonight. So I'm gonna use this Louis bag for my trip. I literally don't wear it anywhere else but to the airport. It's very bad. But your girl's tired. I told you I was getting big. But yeah, I look good. Hey guys, good morning. We're on our way to the airport. I literally had about 3 hours of sleep. I'm annoyed my lips are dry. Hey guys, so I've officially made it to Texas and I'm exhausted because my flight took off at 6 a.m. I got here at like 9, and once I got here I had to help my brother with all his equipment. Like, one thing my brother gonna do is ask me for help, but you know I'm that sister that just has to help him. So I just went to Walmart to pick up some stuff, and now I have to go to the bank because, you know, Africans, when we go to weddings, parties, whatever, we gotta throw some money. So hopefully the bank is open. This Bank of America that's right here is actually permanently closed, and that doesn't make any sense. So we'll see. I finally made it in to the hotel, and here's how it looks. These are the outfits that me and my sister is wearing. Nice little couch. Our stuff is here. Scenery. Nothing crazy. Okay. It's nothing crazy. Here I go. Nice long mirror. That's good for a hotel. Okay. Bathroom. It's not much, but it's cute. So let me start getting ready. So this is my full look. I'm ready for the wedding. Makeup by me. Curls by me, of course. This is the outfit. Classy. It's giving we're going to the Nigerian Oscars, and that's on period. wedding. I clearly lost my voice, but I still cute. My makeup is on and it looks good still, but I'm so tired because it's almost 2 o'clock in the morning and I didn't even have no sleep. So good morning. So I just did a little face mask because I had so much makeup on yesterday, so I'm just trying to keep my skin good. But right now we're about to do our makeup to go to brunch. We have to check out the hotel because our flight leaves around 5 o'clock. So
No. Because you said you wasn't either. It's in the car. Oh, your shoes is cute. Ready, set, go. Cheers. Oh, oops.
right, like at least they're fresh. From brunch to the airport and back to New York, guys. I am back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll catch you guys next time.